Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the small gadget that each and every one of you should be having. It is around $10 to $15 US dollars, or I can say less than 1000 rupees Indian rupees. So this is a super handy. It is more like the Gorilla Pod but much cheaper than that. So here is the unboxing of PhotoPro. This is the box piece that you see, and you can see some of the instructions that are mentioned on the outside cover. The first thing that you get to see is the phone mount, where you can mount your phone, and there are screws on both the sides, the bottom and in the middle. So basically you can fit in our screw on top of any kind of tripod. It need not be only this, that's the standard screw that it has got. And there is a GoPro mount, or any other action camera, or any of those you can mount over there. And then we have the tripod. So once you remove the plastic cover, you get to see the tripod, which has the flexible legs. So this is basically more or less like the Gorilla Pod, but it is not the same way. Those red buttons are of no use. It's just a fancy button that you get to see around in each of the leg, but the legs do not have any bubble kind of thing that you get to see in Gorilla Pods, but it is some kind of metal or alloy, or might be some aluminium or something. I'm not sure about the metal, but it has a rubber coating which adds additional grip, which was not the case with the Gorilla Pod. Even though it had rubber rings around, even though we had these rubber rings, it was not that supportive. But here, as you can see, it is so flexible and you can turn it around the way you want. And those grips are really good. Even though it is so cheap in price, it is really good. And also there is this ball head mount that you get to see. You can turn it the way you want. And there is this screw underneath which you can tighten so that the ball head will remain at one position. And on top you can mount the GoPro mount or the mobile mount that you have got along with this. And now this is the mobile phone holder. But the only problem is you do not have an option to place the microphone on top. But you can always search for a similar mount which has got a horseshoe mount on top. I don't know if it's made of some kind of metal inside, but it has a rubber coating which will provide additional grip. And also this is made of plastic on top, and there is this ball head mount that you can see here. So you can easily mount anything and then rotate this the way you want. It's a ball head mount, and also you can tighten the screw here. And also any lightweight camera, if it's a mirrorless camera or if it's a GoPro, or you even get a phone mount on top of it, so you can attach this here and then use your mobile device to record something, or you can even connect Osmo Pocket to your mobile device and start shooting. So this is super handy, super simple. Well, basically you can see the way how the legs have been folded, and you can turn it the way you want. It is super strong and there is no complaint, at least as of now. I've been using this for just few days now. I will be taking this to my upcoming Himalayan treks so that I can mount the GoPro and capture some time lapse, and just keep it for recording and then forget about it. I can just mount it in any branch or in the fence or wherever it is. It is super easy to use, and I would definitely love to try. I don't know how long it would last. This might be another, this is made in China, so something that I usually do not prefer, but we do not have much of an alternative. So I got to know about this only after purchasing it, or else I would not recommend it. But it's a good one. I would suggest having this in your travel bag, or if there is something similar of this kind, then you can definitely buy one. You can have your GoPro mounted on top, and also you have this mobile device that you can mount on top, the mobile holder. And you can even mount up to a mirrorless camera, which is slightly heavier than the GoPro, but it is still not as heavy as DSLR. And it will even fit into a simple small lady's purse as well. So it is that small and super lightweight, which is the ideal thing if you are into hiking, especially for a week or so, because you want everything to be light. I would highly recommend this, and it's super cheap, and it is much cheaper than almost 1/3 the price of tripod of this kind. So that's it, guys. This is the review of PhotoPro UFO 2. That's right. So that's the review. Hope you like it, and if there is a link in the description below where you can purchase this and support my work by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit on the bell icon.